This is not the right place for you to be, and this is not the right tool to buy for you. Hi my babies, how are you doing? It's me Janamber and welcome back to my beauty channel, guys. Today I'm going to be talking about very seriously, I'm not kidding, very important topic in microneedling. It is a #1 mistake that my clients and patients and followers do, and I get it. You want very quick skincare results by using Dermaroller, and it's huge and it's very serious. Please listen. People buy all the time too big size Dermaroller. Let me turn off the phone. People, without thinking, they purchase 1mm Dermaroller. They Dermaroll 2, 3, 4 times a month, and then they ask me why I do not have results. Here's the thing. Let's say you're new to a gym. You go to the gym, you want a nice butt, you want big biceps, you want to be strong and very fit. And you go grab, instead of 10 pounds for the biceps, you go grab 50. Okay, you can make 50, maybe you have strength, but will you have results tomorrow or the next week? No. It's like you have to build up a muscle. You have to build up size of the needle. It's the same. It is very important. Guys, I do have 6 sizes on my website. I do have here everything. 0.2, 0.25, 0.5, all the sizes you have over here, the numbers. This is 0.75, 1mm, and 1.5, which can be used only for the body, not skin, not your face skin. So many people, I'm like, I don't even sell big size Dermaroller. I could sell 2mm, 2.5, and even 3mm. I do not do this because people are crazy. I'm not kidding you guys. I get so many messages. In the last 2 weeks, I got 2 emails. One lady says, I'm using 2mm Dermaroller on my skin every week. Oh my God, it's not okay. Another day I got from the lady that she said, I use 2.5mm and like 3 times a month and I see results. And she said, I've been using for 5 years. You know why you see results? Because your skin is constant stress and it's constant inflammation. When you use Dermaroller, your skin is plumper right away, because what is Dermaroller? It's causing like inflammation literally, but you want to cause this inflammation temporary and you want to heal it. You want to cause this inflammation, injury in your skin, and you want to heal it. You have to take time for skin rejuvenate, for the skin rejuvenate. Everything rejuvenates in our body, the skin as well. So if you're using 2mm Dermaroller and you see results, because you do it too big, too often, and the skin doesn't have time to rejuvenate. It's in constant stress, constant inflammation. When we scratch our skin, we see it's a little bit plumper because it's inflammation happening. Our skin is healing, and we do need certain amount of time for each size. I do have table on my website. I'm gonna pop right here on this screen. You're going to see which size and how often for what treatment you can use. 0.5 can be used only once a week, no more often, and 1mm can use, for example, only once a month and no more often, because needle size is much deeper. It's entering dermis. It's entering dermis in basically damaging, temporary damage for your skin, which you do need. You must have a lot of time for skin to heal. Guys, I am making this video and I'm warning everybody, don't destroy your skin. Please don't destroy your skin, because I see this mistake. I have my dermarolling business for 2 years and I see this mistake is #1 that people doing. And instead of buying, for example, 0.5, which is the most common sold size, people go right away sometimes to 1mm, and I see that is the first order person never purchased before. Maybe this person did another kind of dermarolling, but my dermarollers are extremely sharp. I have a trademark 192 real, and I have also real individual needles, because I do sell extremely sharp dermaroller with tiny little Tiny needles that goes really deep into your skin, not those cheap wheel dermarollers that do nothing. It's just dermaroll and you have to press it in order to get the results and damaging your skin. This is a real deal. This is a real needle dermaroller that you are getting into your skin. And look at this, 1 millimeter. I don't know if you're going to see on the camera, 1 millimeter is a 1 millimeter is going into your skin. What I recommend, I always recommend, I know you have a scar, some people have a sagginess, I always recommend to start with 0.25. This is the smallest size. I do have 0.2, but this is for sensitive skin beginners. If you have sensitive skin or flaky skin or dry skin or irritated skin, all the information is on my website. Go to my website, jenamber.com, and you can find all this information in frequently asked questions section. You're also going to find the table there, how often to use. This one is what you want to start. You want to build up the strength of your skin. You don't want to jump right away to 1 millimeter. I never, ever advise to start with 1 millimeter. When you use this, for example, for 2-3 months, I know it's a long time. I know you're not patient. You want right now and tomorrow done and perfect. I'm telling you, if you want tomorrow have beautiful skin, this is not the right place for you to be, and this is not the right tool to buy for you. Go to plastic surgeon and tomorrow you can look nice. By the way, they also have downtime 2-3 weeks until you want to look nice. So I will say with 0.25 you need at least 2 months. Then you can go to 0.5. 0.5 you can use 3, 4, 5 months. Or if you have just a little bit like fine lines, like just me, I'm using this all the time. I do not need bigger size. I use 0.75, for example, this size only for my jowls because I have sagginess here and for my scalp. This you can use once or twice a month, no more often. And all dermarollers have to be changed every 10 uses because needle get duller. If you want to really benefit, please use each of the size as often as it should be, not as often as you want. And then 1 millimeter dermaroller mostly is used for hair growth or women over 50 and 60 years old or acne scar, people that have really deep acne scars. 1.5 millimeter shouldn't be used on the face ever. Or unless you're a dermatologist, esthetician. If you want to bring to dermatologist or esthetician office or a spa where you go to get facials done, you can bring this, they will do for you. I rather you to bring this dermaroller that some places have a wheel dermarollers that is not safe to use for the skin, and some just people don't know the difference. I know there is a topics on YouTube by famous dermatologists that they are against the dermarolling, but they actually don't know. They don't know the difference between real individual needle dermarollers and the wheel dermarollers. I did not know this either, guys. I am a esthetician. I did not know this until a couple of years back. I figure out you only have one skin. Please take care of this because it's so important. Almost 12 years ago, I had the same skin texture, the same skin tone, the same fine lines as I am today 12 years later. Because I learned how to take care of my skin, I know that patience is the key. If you want to rejuvenate your skin, fine lines, wrinkles, acne scars, hyperpigmentation, anything you have on your skin going on right now, please be careful. Start with the smallest size possible. Take your time between each of the sizes. Should take at least 2-3 months, the difference. I know you will say, oh my God, Jen, that's gonna take a year. Yes, but you're going to build the strength, and then after you just have to use dermaroller once in a while. You don't have to do every single week. Please don't over dermaroll, don't overdo. If you love your skin, if you really want to have healthy, glowy skin, be patient. You will be there, you will have the skin nice. Don't overdo, don't overstress your skin. Don't leave inflammation going on over and over. Let your skin heal. For example, if you're using 1 millimeter dermaroller, wait at least 3 weeks to use dermaroller. Many people use all the sizes they buy from me. I appreciate it. I know, guys, you love it. I know it's a great quality. I see reviews. I see people how much they buy and how many orders. I have really repeat customer rate is so high that I'm like, wow, people really like it. And I get so many nice comments that they love it and they see results before and after. You know that if you follow me on social media, on Facebook, on Instagram, I always post pictures before and after. Guys, I love you so much. Please be careful what size and how often you use it. Once again, all the links gonna be down under this video in the description box. Check it out. There is going to be a table how often and what size you should be using. I love you guys so much. I send you a lot of kisses wherever you are in the world. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Click the red button, subscribe, and I see you in my next video. Bye!